Hi, I'm Janice De Jesus. I'm a Mori user. The first time I come in contact with this product is when my sister sprayed on my feet 3 hours. 3 hours is a spray. Kasi meron akong problem with itchiness dahil yung aking, this one, it is 3 hours. Meron akong matagalang problem dahil meron akong allergy sa rubber slippers and with chicken. So, on my right foot, chicken problem ko yan. Nangangati ako. And then, sa left foot, yung allergy ko sa rubber slippers. For a long time, I've been scratching it. Kaya lumaki na lumaki up to this size. Ganyan. At talagang yung skin ko, talagang nagbabalat na talagang hindi na magandang. So when my sister sprayed on my feet, talagang awesome. Talagang awesome. Biglang nag-dry up. Amazing talaga. And tataka ako, bakit ganito? Talagang napipil ko talagang nag-dry up. Sa ate ko, ano tong klaseng product? Bakit ang galing-galing for so many times na kung ano-ano for so many ways I've been trying every medicine. Wala talaga. Wala. Ito lang. Nag-dry up agad siya. And then, doon kong introduce niya sa akin yung drop. Pinagsabay ko at talaga nakatulong siya. Nag-dry up siya. Wala na akong problema ngayon. So, another thing. This one, when I started using sa face ko, napansin ko, ang aking eyebrows kumakapal. If you could see, close up. ang eyebrows ko, ayan o, bagong sibol na hair. Taga ang nipis-nipis ng hair. At saka kasi nakatato ako, pero taga nagulat ako, tumutubo yung hair ko. And another thing, dati gumagamit ako ng eye drops every 4 hours every day din. Kasi my eye, sabi ng ophthalmologist, is very dry. Tagang parang drought. So when I started using this on my face, I'll just spread it, I'll spray here, dyan, sa kilay ko, sa mata ko, I let it dry, and then, hindi na ako gumagamit kasi before I'm experiencing terrible irritation. Talagang dryness sa mata ko. Ang irritated ako. When I started using this, talagang na-relieve ako. Dati talaga paggabi na, hindi na ako makakita. Talagang gusto ko na mag-sunglasses. Now, no more. With 3 hours, talaga naman. And my face, sabi nila, I am 35 years old, but I'm now 48. Yeah!